And that Supreme Court ruling today was split down ideological lines.
The 6 conservative-leaning justices voting to overturn the century-old law. The 3 liberal-leaning members voting to uphold it. CBS 2's Bauman here now with how the court came to this decision and reaction tonight. Allie.
Maurice and Christine, gun rights activists fought for 8 years to overturn this New York law, which required gun owners show proper cause in order to carry a firearm outside their home. Today, the Supreme Court ruled that law violated the Second Amendment, but New York lawmakers are already combing through the SCOTUS decision, searching for ways to limit its scope, and Governor Hochul says she's prepared to call the state legislature back into session.
We are enraged. We are disgusted.
As anti-gun activists rallied in Union Square Thursday night, some gun proponents celebrated.
My reaction is relief and happiness.
In a 6-3 vote, the Supreme Court struck down a New York state law requiring a person to show a special need in order to obtain a concealed carry permit. Writing for the majority, Justice Clarence Thomas said New York's law prevents law-abiding citizens with ordinary self-defense needs from exercising their right to keep and bear arms. Governor Hochul expressed her disdain for the decision once again late Thursday night.
It's reprehensible. It's hurtful to all of us who are on the front lines of trying to have sensible gun safety legislation.
Tom King leads the New York group, which fought to overturn New York's law.
The lawful and legal gun owner of New York State is no longer going to be persecuted by laws that have nothing to do with the safety of the people.
The decision could impact similar carry restrictions in a handful of states, including New Jersey. Mere hours after the SCOTUS ruling, Caleb Ostalaza went to his local Jersey City gun store to trade in his handgun for something more discreet.
When it does happen, I want to have something that's comfortable, because that's not really a carry gun.
New York City officials are warning its residents against doing the same because the old rules are still in effect for now.
If you have a premise permit, it does not automatically convert to a carry permit. If you carry a gun illegally in New York City, you will be arrested. Nothing changes today.
City and state officials are now mobilizing legal teams to review New York's application process for obtaining a carry license. They're also focusing on language in the majority opinion, which allows lawmakers to ban people from carrying guns in so-called sensitive places, such as public transit and the theater district.
We will not allow our city to live in fear that everyone around us is armed and that any altercation could evolve into a shootout.
Attorney Philip Hamilton, who closely watched the case, says sensitive places could be a crack in the door for state lawmakers.
I think that it opens the door to a lot of future litigation in regards to what exactly does that mean? Where exactly can you have checks?
And Justice Thomas warns in the majority opinion there is a limit to these sensitive places. For example, lawmakers cannot declare the whole island of Manhattan a sensitive place just because it's crowded. Maurice?
Allie, thank you.